And Kelly's got us on final for 3-5 at Hampton, Iowa.
Oh, cool. I was definitely not doing very well, but I fixed it.
Approach looks good.
You turned on the camera for me.
I did.
That's awesome.
Just on the final, when you turn final, I remembered it. I want somebody to show me how it's done.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Cool.
A little bit of crosswind. I'm still a little fast, but I'm trying hard.
Got a long runway.
Yeah, it's a mile long.
No obstructions. We're all good. Yeah.
It's a nice looking airport. I'm still fast as a son of a gun. Come on, right. Plane.
Yeah.
Photon traffic, Archer 2460 uniform is 9 miles south of the field.
That'll bleed off. You got some wind too, so.
You got her?
Yeah, you'll have plenty of.
Okay.
We're not scared.
No. I can grease one.
Good job.
It was okay. I'll take it.
That's a good one.
Wonder where the terminal is here.
Well, what are you thinking? Over here I see an
airplane. Boy, this thing just likes to roll fast, don't it?
It does.
Okay.
Yep, we're at Hampton, signing off for now.